Okay, so already as already explained, that is the support. So now we are going to discuss the effective. This is the effective length of column. So effective length of column means when you are going to apply load on a column with different interest or end conditions, so what will be the effective length? So now for first, so it says the effectively held in position at both ends but not restrained against rotation. So it means here at both end, at both end, here at both end, they are the held at position but free to rotate. Means here it's like a okay. So what happens if you applied a load here? If you applied a load, if this is your initial condition, now if you applied a load, so what happens, this rotation free, these both end are rotation free. Now this allow to buckle the column, this allow to buckle a column. So effective length will be 1.0 L. L is the actual, L is the actual length. Okay, so here see that for first condition it says, for first condition, effectively held in position at both ends but not restrained against rotation. मीन्स ये जो बोथ एंड है वो क्या है, बोथ और अपने प्लेस पे हेल्ड है बट वो रोटेट कर सकता है। जैसे कब्जा होता है, जो दीवार में कब्जे लगते हैं, जो दरवाजे के लिए कब्जे लगते हैं, वो क्या होते हैं, वो अब फिक्स्ड होते हैं बट वो क्या करते हैं, रोटेशन फ्री देते हैं, वो रोटेशन फ्री देते हैं, वो रोटेट कर सकते हैं। तो जब इस टाइप के जब हमारे एंड कंडीशंस होते हैं, ऐसे पे जब हम लोड लगाते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमारा कॉलम जो होता है वो बकल करता है। बकल तो स्टार्टिंग से ही वो एंड से ही बकलिंग शुरू हो जाती है। सो दैट्स कॉल्ड योर इफेक्टिवली हेल्ड इन पोजिशन एट बोथ ends but not restrained against rotation. So for this, effective length is the 1L. Now for second, this is the effectively, for second condition, effectively held in position at both ends and restrained against rotation at one end. Effectively held in position at both end. So here both end effectively held at position but restrained against rotation at one end. केवल रोटेशन एक पे फ्री है और एक पे restrained against rotation at one end. So now at both end, at one end, this is the fixed and other end. So this is held and position but free to rotation. So when you applied a load like that, so what happens, at, as you know, at the fixed end, it will not allow to buckle from starting. So buckling will be starting after a certain distance. After a certain distance, now it will end at the rotation end. It will end at a rotation end. So for this, so where the fixed end and one is the and other end rotation free but held in position is applied, that is the effective length is the 0.80 L. Now for the third, effectively held in position and restrained against rotation but at both end, means here both end are fixed. At here both ends are fixed. So for both ends fixed, as you know, when both end are fixed, then it will not allow to buckle the column at here. So buckling will start after a certain distance, from the ends. So here the effective length will, the buckling will be 0.65 L. Now look, fourth is the effectively held in position and restrained against rotation at one end and at a other end restrained against rotation but not held in position. See that once again, effectively held in position and restrained against rotation and one end, means one end are fixed. One end are fixed and now one and other end is the other end restrained against rotation. Now here at here rotation fixed but not held in position, means it can move from one place to other place but it will not allowed to rotate, it will not allowed to rotate. So in this case what happens, if the load is applied, so what happens, the column will leave their original position, the column will leave their original position. So for this effective length is the 1.20 L. Now for fifth, that is the effectively held in position and restrained against rotation at one end and at other end partially restrained. See that, partially restrained against rotation but not held in position. Okay, so for this it means one end are fixed and other end are held in position, not held in position, held in rotation but partially allowed for, partially restrained against rotation, means it will rotate a little bit, it will rotate a little bit. So see that here rotation is, you can see here rotation at the certain degree, so there is theta degree. So for this effective length is the L. Now next is the sixth one, the effectively held in position at both end but not restrained against rotation, and at the other end restrained against rotation but not held in position. So here see that it says effectively held in position at one end पे क्या है, इफेक्टिवली हेल्ड, पोजीशन फिक्स कर दिया गया बट नॉट रिस्टेंड अगेंस्ट रोटेशन, हेल्ड किया गया है रोटेशन के लिए फ्री है बट नॉट रिस्टेंड अगेंस्ट रोटेशन, यहाँ पे पोजीशन फिक्स है रोटेशन फ्री है, यहाँ पे रोटेशन फिक्स्ड है पोजीशन फ्री है. Okay, so for this what happens, when load is applied, so buckling will be start from here and now here the rotation is fixed, so rotation will not be applied, but what happens, the column will move from their original position, so the deflection shape will be like that. For this the effective length is the 2.0 L. So now next is the effectively held in position and restrained against rotation at one end but neither held in position nor restrained against rotation at other end, means here see that one end are fixed and other end are free, so when you applied a load on that column, so what happens, it will, because here see that the at other end are not restrained against rotation, not held in position, not restrained against rotation, so it will move from their place as well as it rotates. So for this the deflection shape will be like that and effective length will be here. So here, so deflection up to here L, and now it will deflect up to here, so for that is equal to 2L. So for this the effective length is the 2L. Actually actual length is nothing but that is the point, जो बकलिंग होता है, बकलिंग का सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस होता है, जहाँ से भी बकलिंग स्टार्ट हो और वो बकलिंग खत्म हो. सो यहाँ पे देखिए आप, यहाँ पे जो बकलिंग लेंथ है वो L से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, L तक खत्म हो रहा है, सो 1L हो रहा है. यहाँ पे जो फिक्स्ड एंड है यहाँ पे है और यहाँ से फिक्स है, तो इसका जो बकलिंग है फिक्स्ड पे थोड़ा सा आफ्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है. तो नाउ क्या हो रहा है, ये यहाँ पे जो आपका इफेक्टिव लेंथ है 0.80 L. नाउ यहाँ पे बोथ एंड आर फिक्स है, तो बोथ एंड से क्या हो रहा है कि थोड़ी स्पेस पे क्या हो रहा है, बकलिंग शुरू हो रही है, तो इसके लिए बकलिंग जो हो रही है 0.85 L पे ख़त्म हो रही है. सो लाइक दैट.